Hello, my little kitties. Welcome to a new adventure here with me, Oliver the Cat, on the Learning Curve. Hello, my little kitties. Welcome to a new season of Oliver the Cat, the Learning Curve. We want to continue to grow our vocabulary. In order to grow our vocabulary, we need to learn new and fresh words. All right, my little kitties, let's begin. Our first word is do. Let's use do in a sentence. I can do this. Our second word is and. Let's use and in a sentence. We go up and down. Our third word is what. Let's use what in a sentence. What are you doing? Our fourth word is little. Let's use little in a sentence. I am a little boy. Our fifth word is his. Let's use his in a sentence. His favorite color is red. Our sixth word is to. Let's use to in a sentence. Mom has 2 apples. Our seventh word is love. Let's use love in a sentence. I love to play. Our eighth word is but. Let's use but in a sentence. It's cold, but I love it. Our ninth word is all. Let's use all in a sentence. All of the cake is mine. Our last word is saw. Let's use saw in a sentence. I saw a big rainbow. All right, my little kitties, let's repeat all of the words that we have learned so far. Do, and, what, little, his, to, love, but, all, saw. All right, my little kitties, we've come to the end of our class. Let's teach other people the words that we have learned today.